Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with entering the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Backup to Google Drive. And basically, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will have to simply choose it from the list. If not, you will have to add it right now, so just follow my steps. Let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, and tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it in order to read everything, and then tap on I agree. And right here we've got the section with the backup information, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And right here we've got another backup section in which we can check the storage, so how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, thanks to which you can omit some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.